Let me. My son is deaf, the youngest brother of Simon, so I will be interpreting everything he will be signing to you. Now, Anton, I will tell your name to them. His name is Anton Luis Rodriguez de la Cruz, and he's the youngest brother of Simon, and he has a message for his brother. All right? Okay. To my incredible brother Simon and my new sister Maine. Growing up deaf, Simon was more than just my older brother. He was my bridge to the world, my protector, my confidante, and my best friend. You never saw my deafness as a barrier. Instead, you patiently learned sign language from me, turning our communication into something special we shared. Those teaching moments brought us even closer, and I'll always treasure how naturally you adapted to my world. I'll remember all the ways you doted on me growing up, always checking if I needed anything, making sure I was comfortable in social situations, and being there whenever I needed support. Wait. Hindi na kami synchronize. Wait. I'm here. Okay. Continue. Asa na ba? Our movie nights were legendary. You'd always find the best captioned films, and somehow you knew exactly which ones would make me laugh or get me thinking. I'm really going to miss those evenings together, though I know you're just a text away. Maine, okay. From the day Simon introduced us, you showed me what a kind heart you have. Even without knowing sign language, you found your own special way to communicate with me. I'll never forget how comfortable you made me feel from the start. No awkwardness, no hesitation, just pure acceptance. That's rare to find and showed me exactly why my brother fell in love with you. All right. Here. Okay, to see you both today, I'm filled with pride and joy. Your love story isn't just about two people coming together. It's about two families becoming one. About creating a space where everyone belongs, just as you both have always made me feel I belong. This one. May your home be filled with the same warmth and understanding you've always shown me. May you find strength in each other during challenging times, just as you've been my strength, Simon. And may your love continue to speak volumes, even in moments of silence. To my brother and his beautiful bride, here's to a lifetime of love, laughter, and adventure. I love you very much.
I think I love you is not that.
I love you.
We're two, but now one, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. What God has joined together, let no man separate. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome Mr. and Mrs. Simon Matias and Charmaine de la Cruz. Simon, you may now kiss your wife. Congratulations!
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away bati natin di na namamalayan.
And protect her to the best.
Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong Kung balikan mo ng hirap, luha at lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto na tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigla. Sa huli, palagi pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman